So what determines the fate of a nation? Geography or culture? Well, geography is considered destiny, because the climate and geography are so suitable with one another that it makes the land fertile. And since the land is so fertile, it leads to an agriculture boom, which equals wealth, which equals progress in mankind, and that is how we got to where we are today. Culture, on the other hand, is considered destiny because there was the great chain of being. Everyone knew what their purpose was in life. Everything had its place on earth that was given to them by God. A person born in a social class was destined to have that role, given by God Himself, for life. In my opinion, culture is really what decides the fate of a nation. People born in different parts of the great chain of being felt that they had a duty to society. Like, for instance, if a person was born a peasant, they would be a peasant for life, and they had to accept it. And for hierarchies and nobles and dukes and kings, they felt like they had an obligation to look out for the people underneath them. With culture, if the church played a large role in the lives of the people, the order would be preached to the nation, like every day, all the time, and it would affect the way that people thought and how they thought the nation would be run, or should be run. And because of the great chain of being, the hierarchies would continue to own the lands and maintain power. In a way, culture can be the rise or downfall of a nation. If the culture is very strict and harsh, the population of the nation may dwindle because of genocide or capital punishments, execution methods, all that. And I feel that culture determines the fate of the nation because the way a person thought and lived was the way the whole nation thought and lived, except for the few. The nation, then, would decide how they would like to live. The nation's fate would then be in the hands of the people and their culture. And although geography does play a large role in shaping what a nation would look like and the boundaries of it, the principles and the values of the people would determine whether mankind would progress further or stay the same.